Welcome, everybody, to another great episode of J&P Outdoors. So, trying to get y'all some fishing content, but let's just say the fish have not been overly active. So, today I come in with another great video for y'all that I think man, woman will all agree with. And that is the controversy of the side piece. Everybody needs one. Everybody needs a side piece. Side piece can save your life. Side piece can protect you. Side piece are great listeners. Side piece can talk real loud. They have one hell of a bark. And they're great to take on the boat. They're great to take, in the deer blind. And they're great to take on long walks in the woods. Oh, y'all didn't think I was talking about... You get your damn mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about the ultimate side piece. Your protection. Side piece. Yeah, I know what y'all were thinking. But no, that's not what I'm talking about. So, mag's out. And it's cleared. See? She's clear. Yeah. Side piece. Yeah, I know what a lot of you dirty bastards were thinking. So, everybody needs one of these. I don't care if you're 21 to 91. If you are an outdoors person, if you live in this great country, you have a amendment right to these. Now, these aren't just for, protecting yourself from gangbangers and from, bad guys. No, a side piece is, well, it's like a side piece. It's very complicated. I take mine everywhere because you never know when you might run across a snake. Danger noodle. All of a sudden that son of a gun comes at you. Who's there to save you but your side piece? You never know when wild hog might come charging at you. Who's going to be there to protect you when you're out in the woods and a damn pack of hogs come out? Well, that would be your side piece. Now, the size of your side piece also says a lot about you. Whether you're carrying a 22, a 380, a 9mm, or, the caliber that saved the war, a 45. They all come in good packages, 22s are great for, ranch kids, then you got your 9mm, which are great for your little gals. Although I do know some gals that carry the 45. But all I'm saying is everybody needs to get, if you're going to be out in the woods and you're going to be fishing and you're going to be doing all the great outdoor activities, if it's legal in your state, get yourself a side piece. Your side piece will not, I can't say it won't get you in trouble, because all side pieces will eventually possibly get you in trouble. Whether that's the metal kind or the flesh kind, you know. They're all going to possibly get you in trouble if you do stupid things. So, that's pretty much it. One little caveat about the side piece. You need to take care of them. You know, every so often, get it out, strip it down, you know, get a nice cloth and, you know, massage it, because you carrying every day, you get your dandruff on there, your cells, you know, you get the fabric from your clothing, and sometimes that can, you know, build up and gunk up the barrel. So every once in a while, you know, before you go out and, you know, to the range to, you know, blow off a couple of wads, just get a dry cloth and, you know, run it down the barrel a few times to get all that sediment, all the, what would you call that, the lint and everything out of your barrel. Because you don't want to just show up to the range and all of a sudden you got a fire and, you know, you have a malfunction because your barrel's full of lint and other crud. So just every once in a while, take it out, oil her up, you know, kind of take your rod and, you know, shove the rod in there, clean that out, and your side piece will be very happy with you. Now, thank you for watching another great episode of J&P Outdoors. And remember, smile, because you never know, you might just change the world. And if you made it all the way to the end of my video, why don't you try watching this video, or try watching this video or playlist. You know, I have all kinds of other great videos on here. Alright. Bang, bang. See y'all in the next one.